Hi everyone, welcome. So today was a really exciting day. I walked into the office, into my desk, and I had a package waiting for me, which usually means that a new collection has arrived. So I'm really excited. This I have actually been waiting for quite a while. It's a new addition to our loose parts collection, and it's called the Tonal Collection. It's from TTS. So let's give it an open up and see. So this is the Shades of Red Tonal Collection. I'll show you inside the box. So this tonal collection is a collection of featured products that are all loose parts that are commonly asked for. So little peg people, pebbles, rocks, cups, anything like that. And they are all designed to be in shades of certain colors. So in this case, we're looking at the shades of red. So I'm going to unbox every different part and we'll talk about it as we go. But how beautiful are these? They're made of wood, and the type of staining that's actually on this wood makes it so they're washable, which I think is awesome. So here's one of the little cups and one of the peg people. A closer look for you. So what I love about the Shades Tonal Collection from TTS is that there is a wide, diverse range of color. And I think what's great about that is you have the opportunity to talk to children about color and about different kinds of language revolving around color. So you can identify different colors. So one of the most important thing about loose parts is how we present them and what kind of things allow our children to really explore their imagination and explore everything that they want to talk about, and how we can encourage language or build different skills with math, language, imaginative play. Anything can be done like that through loose parts. And I think what's really special about this tonal collection is that it allows children to explore color in a really different way. So what I love about these stacking pebbles, actually, now that I'm pulling them out, is you can see they're rounded, but then at the edge they're flat and on the bottom, so you can stack them very easily. So as you can see, this is all the pebbles for them, and they come in 4 different colors. And how would you, as a child, describe these colors? So it gives you a great opportunity to talk about colors. So is this a ruby red? Is this a primary red? Is this pink? What would you describe this red as? What does it look like? Is there something in the classroom that you could identify it with? It offers them the opportunity to describe color and really build on their language, because we can say just red, or we can expand their language and vocabulary and say red, maroon, ruby, anything like that. So you can offer them that opportunity, and we could say, I think this red matches something in our room. So let me have a look. I think this red matches my slightly dirty potion bottle, or it can match the top of my rainbow. See, it's just like small associations like that that allow children to really develop and build their language. And I think what's also great is that this offers children an opportunity to learn about classifying, because really you're classifying not only colors, but you can classify shapes. So I find this to be circular. This is a triangle. So that offers great parts. And these, to me, look like they could be part of a forest. Or maybe I'm building a mountain. So that builds into that small world play as well. Oh, how cute are these? Ball and cup. And I think these are great actually for small sorting activities. So this comes with a set of 2 of them. Different, almost I'd say a rust color, which I think is lovely. And what's great about these sets too is you can download it on our product page, is it comes with an information sheet about all kinds of different things that you could talk about and ways you could use the tonal collection. I highlighted some of my favorites. So what I enjoyed is that you could use them to support mathematical development, which we talked about, sorting, classifying, matching. You can sort by specific items such as the pebbles, the balls, the pots, and you could sort them together, or you could sort different pieces together. So I find these all match, and you can count how many pieces match. Is it different? I think what's also fun is you could take these activities outside for a color hunt. Ooh, look how cute this is. I've never seen anything like that. You could take them on a color hunt. You could take a piece and say, collect everything you can find on our hunt that has a similar color, and then you can classify it that way. Beautiful are these. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, a really great art activity would be to, comes with a little tonal rainbow set. How cute is that? I'm gonna make a little mountain right here. With art, you could explain different types of colors. So this could be a good introduction to how color mixes and how you could talk about colors. So you could put red as your main primary color on a dish, and then you could put white, pink, brown maybe, and then you could start mixing the colors to see if you could make an exact match for these, which I think is awesome. Ooh, a long block. So you can see all these diverse, beautiful tones. There's 23 pieces. There is a little information sheet tells me. There are 4 pebbles, 4 arches, 3 blocks, 2 balls, 2 cups, 3 people, 3 barrels, 2 cones to make 23 pieces in total. So this is a really great diverse collection. If you really want to build to your loose parts, then add to that. This is a great opportunity to explore a lot of different themes. And if your children are really specifically interested in a certain color, this would be a great way to expand upon that. So I think this is a great little collection, and the rest of the collection also comes with 8 different colors. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, a gray, a kind of like brown tone. So there's a lot of different options for you to mix and match and find loose parts that really are engaging and build upon everything that you're working on in your center or in your home. So I believe these are really great, and I'm glad we could do this unboxing together. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other play ideas you could think of for this set, because I think this will be very exciting, and I'm very excited I got to share it with you. So make sure to check it out. I will put a link in the description for the Tonal Collection so you can see the entire collection, and let me know what you think, and have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.